Hi and welcome to my place. This is a sad face that you are looking at with very sad, tired eyes. For reasons unbeknown to me, I can't sleep. I don't know whether it's an age thing, whether it's a menopause thing, I don't know. So I put the request out there quite a few weeks ago, and all of these lotions and potions and essential oils recipes came flooding in. Now I have tried them all, and this one I really like the best. I have fingers crossed that my sleep will get onto its normal sleeping habit, because not being able to sleep is not a pleasant thing, because you feel like you're a slug ploughing your way through the day, or should I say crawling your way or slithering your way through the day. So into this little roller bottle I have got 2 drops of rose, 1 drop of palmarosa, 2 drops of vetiver, 2 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of lavender, and 1 drop of cedar. Now my research reveals that all of these essential oils all have sleep promoting properties. So this is what I have been trying, and as I said, so far, well I didn't say that, but so far so good. So into the roller bottle, I've got all my essential oils blended, and then I'm going to use this moringa oil. I've just discovered it and I just love it so much, and it's really quick and it's a good fixative, and it's really good at sort of like absorbing into the skin. A little bit like a jojoba oil, but I actually prefer this now. So very carefully, because I've had a few disasters in here today, just put your moringa oil into, this is about a 10 ml. Jeepers, I keep saying to be very careful when you do this. Put that there so that we don't make a mess, and then putting the roller bottle on the top, giving that a little shake up, rolling it in your hands so that all of those oils all start to blend and marry together. Leave it for a week, because you don't want to be able to see that bit down there, we don't want to be seeing that at all. So give it a shake up every day and you will find that they blend. Now if this works for you, or you have a better remedy, please could you send it to me, because we have to get the sleep into action. I don't even want to go through the whole thing that I've been doing of late to get my sleep into pattern, but give it a go and see what you think. And if you are pregnant, please, please, please do your own personal check to make sure that these essential oils are okay for you to use. And if you aren't sure and you've never used essential oils, do a little patch test first before you start to lather yourself. And what I do with it is just a little wee rub on my pulse points here on my wrist, and then a little bit between the back of my ears. And we go forth in our endeavours to please get to sleep. So I hope that this is of assistance to some of you out there. If you've got recipes, as I said, please could you share them with me so that I can share them with the rest of you out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.